Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make purchasing decisions that don't suck. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. Because, let's be honest, without power, your gaming rig is just an expensive paperweight. On my left, we have the ARESGAME AGV Series 500W power supply, a budget-friendly option that promises to keep your rig running smoothly without breaking the bank. And on my right, the Corsair RM750e power supply that's so fancy it practically wears a tuxedo to the gaming party. So let's plug into the details and see which one deserves your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about the price, because we all know that money doesn't grow on trees unless you've found a way to monetize your gaming skills. ARESGAME comes in at a wallet-friendly $59, which many reviewers appreciate as it's less than the price of a bad date. It's noted to be a great option for budget gaming setups. Meanwhile, Corsair is strutting in at $99. Reviewers mention that, while it is pricier, it offers high-end features that justify the cost. If you're a budget-conscious gamer, ARESGAME might just be your new best friend. But hey, if you want to impress your friends with your high-end power supply, Corsair is here to help you flex those financial muscles. Next, let's talk efficiency. Because if your power supply isn't efficient, it's just a glorified space heater. ARESGAME is 80 PLUS bronze, certified with a respectable 85% efficiency under typical loads. Reviewers confirm that it performs well for simple gaming rigs, making it a reliable choice for many users. Corsair, on the other hand, boasts Intel ATX 3.0 certification and is designed to resist power spikes. Reviewers highlight its stability and performance, especially for high-end builds. So, if you want your rig to run smoothly without sending your electric bill to the moon, Corsair might be the way to go. But hey, if you're feeling lucky, ARESGAME could surprise you. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: noise levels. Because who wants to listen to their power supply sound like a jet engine taking off? ARESGAME has a 120mm ultra-quiet fan that promises excellent cooling performance, and reviewers have praised it for being quiet even under load. Corsair features a 120mm rifle-bearing fan designed to keep the noise down. While some reviews mention it's not completely silent, it's still considered quiet compared to others in the market. So, if you're streaming your gameplay live, you won't have to worry about your audience hearing your power supply scream louder than your in-game character. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about warranties and protection. Because if your power supply goes kaput, you don't want to be left holding the bag. ARESGAME offers a 5-year warranty with heavy protection features, including OVP, UVP, OPP, OPP, and SCP. Reviewers feel reassured by this warranty. Mentioning it adds to the reliability of the product. Corsair also brings the heat with 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors for reliable power delivery, but it doesn't specifically mention a warranty. Reviewers appreciate its durable design, but some express a desire for a longer warranty. So if you want peace of mind and you're prone to accidents, ARESGAME might be the way to go. But if you're feeling adventurous, Corsair could be your wild card. Overall, the reviews for both power supplies highlight their strengths and weaknesses. The ARESGAME AGV Series 500W power supply is often praised for its affordability, quiet operation, and solid performance for budget setups. In contrast, the Corsair RM750e is recognized for its premium build quality, efficiency, and modular design, making it suitable for high-end rigs. Both products have their dedicated fans, depending on the user's needs and budget. So there you have it, folks. The ARESGAME AGV Series 500W power supply is your budget-friendly, efficient, and quiet option with a solid warranty. But if you're feeling fancy and want to impress your friends with a more powerful and modern supply, the Corsair RM750e is a great choice. At a price that might make your wallet cry a little. Let us know in the comments which power supply you'd choose to juice up your rig. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up with all our latest comparisons. Until next time, remember to buy smart, because spending less doesn't mean you have to settle for less. See you in the next video.